If you're experiencing anxiety, anxious thoughts, or body tension, always feeling like you're bracing for the next thing, then I've made this tapping video just for you. I'm Anna Saucier, and I'm a certified EFT tapping practitioner and Catholic mindset coach. I'm going to lead you through using emotional freedom technique to bring these very real feelings a little bit more into the light, to gently release a little bit more, and to begin to receive a little bit more of the Lord's healing presence. Two quick things first before we get started. The most important is that feeling anxious doesn't mean that you are doing anything wrong. It can be really common to judge ourselves just for feeling anxiety. I'm not praying enough. I'm not doing enough. I'm not trusting enough. The truth is, this ultra fast pace of our world and the intensive demands that are placed upon our time, attention, and energy are fundamentally too much for our nervous system, for all of us. So this is much bigger than you, and it's not your fault. Secondly, if you stick around with me to the end of this short video, I'm going to share with you another technique that you can grab anytime to help calm and regulate your nervous system. And it only takes 10 seconds to do. So, invitation to move into comfortable space and position, and we'll get started. If you haven't tapped with me before, you'll find a cheat sheet in the description of this video. We begin in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. And I ask you, Holy Spirit, to work in, through, and with us as we are present to the anxiety and to the anxious feelings. Let's begin just with inviting some extra breath into your body, not forcing it, but letting it expand your lungs and imagining it moving down in and through your lungs and then out to every area, every cell of your body. And then releasing the breath completely. We're going to begin tapping in the karate chop side of the hand, and I'll invite you to say the words that I say. I may say some things that don't feel true for you. You can either change it or skip it altogether. It's really important that you speak what is true for you. Beginning with, even as I'm feeling this heavy anxiety, feelings of nervousness, restlessness, uncertainty, dread, racing thoughts in my mind, bracing for the next struggle. I feel it in my stomach, neck, throat, chest, shoulders, jaw, as tension, tightness. It feels like something is always weighing on me or worrying me. And I can't escape it. Like I can never truly relax. And often I blame myself. Even as I am experiencing these things, and they feel so overwhelming, oppressive even, I want to accept myself and how I'm feeling. I want to invite Jesus into these emotions and into all of the places that I feel them in my body. So we're going to move up to the corner of the eyebrow, where we're going to go around the points, saying the things that I say and tapping where I show you. This anxiety. This anxiety. This anxiety that threatens to overwhelm me. This anxiety that I feel in my, just name the body part, any body part that you feel this in. This anxiety that feels like a heavy weight, like I can't even be myself. This anxiety I wonder what it would feel like to not have this anxiety. Lord, I wonder what your purpose is in this. I want to trust you. But it's hard in the midst of these anxious feelings. Even as I'm feeling this, I wonder if I'm ready to receive more of you. To receive a tiny bit more of your peace in this moment. You can relax your arms and take a breath and just notice how you feel. We're not here to force a change or to be in any certain way. We're here just to invite a tiny bit more presence, to wonder about releasing a tiny bit of the anxiety and becoming a tiny bit more receptive to the Lord's peace. You can repeat this tapping as many times as you like. Just continue to notice how you feel and where you feel it in your body. Now remember, I did promise to also give you another technique you can use to help calm and regulate your nervous system. It's super simple and you can use it anywhere, anytime, and it only takes 10 seconds. It's actually called the 10-second protocol, and it's from the Institute for Trauma and Psychological Safety. Here's how it works. You're going to squeeze or tense up all or part of your body for a count of 5, and then fully release those muscles for another count of 5. And that's it. I usually do this about 3 times. Let's do one round together. Are you ready? Squeeze up your body for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let everything go and completely relax. 3, 2, and 1. You can use this technique in the middle of the night, in the middle of a meeting, in the shower, while you're cooking, or whether you're feeling anxious or not in the moment. It's like a quick conditioning workout for your nervous system that you can use anytime. Thanks for tapping with me, and subscribe for more from Tapping for Catholics.